Our kind of philosophy in customized training is we meet people where they are and train them where they need to be. For manufacturers or companies coming in, I like to present that to them in two ways. We can train your individual employees. If you have a particular person who you think needs a specific skill honed in on, we offer open enrollment classes. But also the customized training piece, we will absolutely sit down, do a needs assessment with you, and we will provide that training to you, whatever it looks like.
I think our ability to adapt to the workforce needs makes us unique. We're able to create and customize classes for business and industry. Our whole curriculum is developed around what is industry relevant, and it's not just a textbook. It's what industry partners want.
Every employer has different needs, but what we have found through those conversations with employers is that they have similar needs. They need both the technical skills and they need the soft skills. And having the additional capacity with our new facilities, it's enabling us to really serve both of those needs. Is going to allow us to turn that training around so much quicker.
Our timeline to create, develop, and deploy a program ranges. I would say it's rather quick. If it is something that has to do with safety, soft skills, things that are pretty common in industry and any company, we can do those next day.
All of our programs have an advisory committee attached to them, and those are made up of students and business partners, employers, and people out in the industry. And what they do is they help develop the relevance of our programs. And so they make sure that we are teaching industry-relevant techniques on industry-relevant equipment and industry-relevant outcomes. And so those business and industry partners come in and look at our programs, look at our equipment, talk with our teachers, and make sure that our curriculum is relevant.